This afternoon we're going to talk about the busy bee. And as you can see, these hives of bees are on the Hubble farm over by Elk Rapids. And what a beautiful day for the bees to work. It's about 60 degrees and it's dry with a light breeze and they're just loving it. The bee is an interesting thing. I'm not an expert on bees, but have used the bees for our entire life for the pollination of all of our fruit trees for numbers of years. And the bees are brought into the orchards usually about a week or 10 days prior to the bloom period, and they stay throughout the bloom period. And once they're done, the owner of the bees, which in most cases is not the fruit grower, but there are fruit growers that have their own bees, are taken to the next crop. It could be the alfalfa, the clover, but bees pollinate all kinds of fruit trees, the cherries, all varieties of cherries, apples, peaches, pears, plums, prunes, any kind of a tree fruit. But also the bee loves to work in the dandelions and the flowers, and then taken to different kinds of ground crops where the bees can make different kinds of honey for the bee owner. In a number of cases now, the bees are shipped to various parts of the United States for the off-season from the Michigan crops. For an example, to Florida, Texas, to the citrus industry and the almond industry and all of that. So when they talk about the busy bee, they're just like people that follow the stream of crops to help make their living. And we're grateful for the bees for the job that they do.